Look at our front porch from all the golf ball and baseball sized hail. Look at all the hail in our yard, all the leaves that have come down on our porch. This is insane. I had no idea there was any weather that was coming. This is the milder part of the storm. I did make another video where this hail was actually coming down. And the alert that just came over my phone said baseball sized hail and thunderstorm warning. So hopefully the creek does not go over. Pray for us that the weather will stop. And we did get some roof damage. We do have some water going into the house right now. So this is a pretty severe storm. Okay guys, here's a piece right here. Here's the palm of my hand. See how big that is? That's huge. There's lots and lots of them all over the yard. And my car. Here's the damage on my car. Let's see, there's some on the back. Try to miss the license plate here. You see, yeah, right there you can see the dent. And there's a bunch of dents here. Oh my. Not so much on the side, it's mostly on the front. There's a pretty good sized dent right here. Yeah, it's mostly on the front and the back. Look at all this hail left on the ground. I got my rain boots on. Look at how much there is. Look at all that. That's a lot. That's a lot of hail. I don't think hubby's truck got it as bad as my car. I don't see anything on his. Oh yeah, there's some up here. It's not as bad as my, yeah, it is. It is on, yeah, I see some damage too. I do see some damage on it. I don't think it got it as bad as my car. I see a couple of dents here on the side. Right there. Yep. You could see all down the street there's limbs, you know, where leaves and limbs have fallen off in the, this water goes down into the creek next to our house. And every time it rains like this, look at all the hail on the ground. Man, it's thick. Look at it. It's anywhere from dime size to golf ball size. And there were a few baseball size. Look at it. It's all the way. See, all these limbs fell out of the tree. All this green is the limbs that have fell out of the tree. And the creek's kind of high, but not too bad. Go over here where I can see it a little bit better. Oh yeah, it's peaking there. Look at the flow on that creek right now. Crazy. Wow. I can't believe my yard. Just full of limbs and hail. Lots and lots of hail. They're so big. See, that one's more like golf ball size right there. Then we have some little ones that are more like nickel size. Wow. Huge. He did actually get some impact on his windshield right there. I don't know if you could see it in the video. I missed that when I was looking at it earlier. But yeah, he's got 2 or 3 parts of impact there. Okay, my windshield did get it in 3 places. I totally missed that. So I'm gonna have to replace my windshield as well. Oh man, this is crazy.
My truck is probably gonna be
Look at, wow.